Have you ever wondered about the bustling cities beneath the ocean's surface? Let's dive into the intricate world of coral reefs, often referred to as underwater cities. These vibrant ecosystems, though covering less than 1% of the ocean floor, support an astounding quarter of all marine life. Each reef is a bustling metropolis, teeming with life and activity. Imagine a city where the buildings are alive and the residents range from the vibrantly colored fish to the tiniest of microscopic organisms. Just as in any city, each resident of a coral reef plays a unique role, contributing to the overall function and health of the ecosystem. Coral reefs are not just beautiful, they are a vital part of our planet's biodiversity. They are home to an array of creatures, many of which are not found anywhere else on Earth. Indeed, coral reefs are veritable hubs of marine biodiversity. But what exactly is the role these vibrant underwater cities play? Well, coral reefs wear many hats. They serve as natural barriers, shielding coastal areas from the wrath of strong waves and storms. Imagine a colossal wall standing tall in the face of a tempest, protecting everything behind it. That's our coral reefs for you. Beyond this, coral reefs are also vital players in the global carbon and nitrogen cycles. They work tirelessly, fixing carbon and nitrogen, contributing to the health of our planet. Now, let's not forget about their role as a bustling metropolis for marine life. They provide a home, a nursery, and a hunting ground for countless species. From the tiniest plankton to the mighty shark, all find solace in the labyrinth of the coral reefs. And us humans, we owe them too. They feed us, boost our economies with tourism income, and might even hold the secrets to future medicinal breakthroughs. The importance of coral reefs, both to marine life and humans, simply cannot be overstated. Yet, have we ever stopped to consider the threats these underwater cities face? Coral reefs, the bustling metropolises of the ocean, are under siege. Climate change, the invisible foe, brings with it warmer oceans, leading to coral bleaching, an ailment that strips corals of their vibrant hues and life-sustaining algae. But the threats do not end there. Pollution, both from land and sea, suffocates these delicate ecosystems, while overfishing disrupts the delicate balance of life that these reefs have fostered for thousands of years. Destructive fishing practices such as using dynamite or cyanide devastate not just the targeted fish populations, but the entire reef community. The consequences of these actions are stark. Coral reef degradation means loss of biodiversity, increased coastal erosion, and a direct impact on human communities that rely on these reefs for their livelihood and protection from storm surges. The future of these vibrant underwater cities, and in turn our future, hangs in the balance.